I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Loyverse app installed, a scanner paired, and the product created in catalog. First, open Loyverse and navigate to Sales. Make sure your scanner is recognized in device settings. Then position a barcode 6-12 inches from the scanner and press the trigger if required. You will see the item appear on the ticket instantly. If names or prices are wrong, stop and edit the product in catalog now so future scans map correctly. Once the scanner adds items, focus on practical workflow. Scan each barcode sequentially to build the ticket and use Quick Tap to change quantity or select variants. If you need to sell multiples, either scan repeatedly or edit quantity field to set exact count. Make sure to apply discounts, taxes, or modifiers from the ticket before payment. These settings persist per session. If the scan code isn't found, use the on-screen search to link the barcode to an existing product or create a new product on the spot. To finish, review the ticket and select the payment method, accept payment, then print or email the receipt. Once done, make sure Loyverse syncs so inventory updates across devices. Verify catalog stock levels to confirm the transaction recorded properly. If something goes wrong, try this one key troubleshooting tip. Ensure the scanner is powered and paired, then test with a clear barcode printed or displayed on a screen. Poor print quality or damaged codes are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.